managing real estate or industrial sites, but finding it difficult to present 3D models with interactive labels and information layers. In this video, I'll show you how to add labels, pop-ups, and information layers to 3D models on maps using MAPOG. First, head to story.mapog.com and go to Business Location under the Operations and Planning section. This is your hub for managing locations and field data. Now click Add and select New Location Type to create a reusable business location template. Give it a name, assign a color, and choose Polygon as a geometry type. Next, add attributes like location name, contact number, email, configurations, and floors using text, number, drop-down, or multi-select fields. Once done, click Create Type. Go to the dashboard and open Workspace under Create and Publish. Click Create New Map, choose with Template, and select a layout like Single Location. Add a title and description, then click Create Map. Once inside, open Settings, upload your logo, and save your changes. Move to the Annotation section and search for your location using a place name or coordinates, so the map centers accurately on your target area. Open the 3D model tool and upload your model file in GLB, GLTF, or zip format to integrate your 3D content into map. And once the upload is complete, click on the map to place the after place in the model. Use the edit tools to customize the building. You can adjust opacity, scale, altitude, and even rotate the model on X, Y, and Z axis for accurate positioning. Once aligned properly, click Fix Current View to lock the model onto the map. Now, select the text option and type the name of your property in the text box and place it on the map. Then select a suitable font and color to your label. Click Add Location, then choose Add Manually. Select the created template from the drop-down and use the Polygon Draw tool to outline the building corners accurately using the Add Point option. Once the polygon is completed, confirm it. After that, save the location details with images, descriptions, and attributes. Now we're going to add nearby points. You can manually plot nearby places by identifying and confirming their locations, adding names, and customizing details like marker color, using color option and edit icon using the edit icon option. To display distances, enable the hide/show distance option. Additionally, click Calculate to automatically display the distance in kilometers. Then click Save to store the point. This way, you can add multiple amenities around your property. Once your map is ready, go to Preview and Share. In the Private section, use Add User to invite collaborators. Editors can manage content, while viewers have read-only access. Switch your map from private to public. Then use the Share link to send it via email or social media. To embed it on a website, use the Share Embed link option. We hope this video gives you a clear idea of adding labels, pop-ups, and information layers with 3D models on maps using MAPOG. To explore more GIS tools, visit story.mapog.com. And if need help, reach us at support@mapog.com.